Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. This video will show you how to evaluate a function and then use that information to create a graph. In this video, I'm going to show you how to evaluate a function. So this says f of x is equal to 2x minus 4. This minus 2x minus 4 is a whole line when we graph. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick some x values. I'm going to pick 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to evaluate, which means to plug in for x. So f, plug in 0 for x, our equal sign. Then we have 2. Again, we have that x, so we're going to plug in 0 minus 4. We're going to calculate this answer, and that's going to give us negative 4. That will be the point that we graph, 0, negative 4. I like to fill out my whole table before I graph. So now we're going to find f of 1. This is equal to 2 times 1 minus 4. That's going to give us negative 2. Then we'll calculate the rest. Two times 3 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. And then f4. So we have 2 times that 4. Again, we're plugging in for that x minus 4. And that's going to give us 4. So these are 5 points we're going to graph. 1, negative 2, 2, 0, 3, 2, and 4, 4. So 0, negative 4, 1, negative 2, 2, 0, 3, 2, and 4, 4. We can then connect those points together with a line. We should notice that these points have the same pattern. Going from point 1 to point 2, we went up 2 to the right 1. From 2 to 3, up 2 to the right 1. Up 2 to the right 1. Up 2 to the right 1. So without even calculating more points, we could just keep that pattern going. Up 2 to the right 1, up 2 to the right 1. And notice that those 2 points also fall on our graph. That's how you evaluate the function and then graph that same function. This was Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.